So when you think about the three-stone open fire, we actually think about it in reverse. We think that it's the most basic, most archaic type of cooking solution, but it is a Toyota Corolla of cooking, if I was to use that analogy. It's a very sophisticated cooking equipment. One, it is adjustable. So if you want to cook tea, you can move it close, the three stones, you make your tea. If you have a rurashio, you want that big sufuria, you can expand it. It has dual, even triple benefits. You can be cooking your ugali as you're roasting your mahindi at the bottom. At the same time, it's providing space heating. The other thing is that it's almost free. You just have to go somewhere and pick the three stones, and there you have your solution. Then the fourth thing is that it can use multiple fuels. You can use firewood, you can use maize stalks, you can use maize cobs. And then the fifth is that it has no parts that need repair. So it's a very robust solution. You can use it for tens of years.